Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can very easily ban WhatsApp app. Save all photos to your gallery. Please friends, subscribe to our channel. Write your comments after watching the video and also don't forget to put likes. So let's get down to our topic. Open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Next, in the bottom right corner, tap on Settings. Now you need to go to Chats in the settings. And then in the second line, you'll be able to see such a section called Save to Photos. And as you can see, this section is automatically active and enabled in WhatsApp. And so this app saves to your gallery absolutely all the consecutive photos, videos, and all the media files that you get while chatting with your friends. And in order not to load your memory, in order to save only what you need, you just need to disable this feature so that you don't overload your memory and you don't have to save all your photos to your gallery. I hope this video helped you. You have seen how you can easily prevent WhatsApp app from saving your media files to gallery. Please put your likes, write comments, subscribe to the channel. See you soon.